2 Thessalonians 3 verse 3. But the Lord is faithful, who shall establish you and keep you from evil. That's a message of the Lord for you today, that He wants you to be patient, and that God wants you to depart from evil, and God will protect you from evil. God is helping you, and God doesn't want you to be afraid in the dark, because God is with you. And thanks for watching my video. God bless you all.